Any armored fiber optic cable should be bonded to ground. This training video will demonstrate the use of a bullet bond type bonding connector. Measure and mark 1.5 inches from the cable jacket at each end as shown. Next, using a pair of side cutters, cut the cable armor and jacket to the 1.5 inch mark. The bullet bond connector is comprised of two pieces. Insert the bottom part of the connector along the cut, placing the connector under the armor. Once fully inserted, tape around the entire cable jacket. Note the bottom part of the connector is identified as the piece with a threaded post. Complete by installing the top part of the bullet bond connector and tighten as shown with the provided locking nuts. Move to the other end of the cable and repeat.